What would you do if you sent your beloved car to a body shop recommended and it came back looking like this?
I think I'd be miffed, to say the least.
You'd be pretty irritated.
I think I'd be heartbroken.
Yeah.
Because if I'd spent so much time and money perfecting my pride and joy,
Yeah.
trusting it to somebody else to do the final, pizzazz, and it came back looking less than ideal.
Less than ideal.
I'd lose some sleep.
This is obviously a new project to the channel. It is only one person owned this car.
One owner from
brand new. It's been his baby for ever since it was new.
Since it was new.
And
wanted for nothing.
It's come here to be put back to that. It's come here to be put back to being his baby. We're going to give him that show quality paint job that he so deserves and so desires. I'm talking to you.
No, we are going to be fixing all the beep beeps up on this car and getting it looking factory fresh again.
Shall we have a quick walk around?
Let's go have a quick walk around.
Right, we're going to start at the front end. The bonnet has so many paint defects, but they're really not coming up on camera that well. There are loads across the back scuttle, 100%, loads of them. It's just like, it's bad.
It's bad down there.
Bad.
Should we have like you said, you might need to get a torch, but I don't know if you can make that out on camera.
But let me tell you how bad it is. I'll point at them, even though you can't see them on camera. There's one, there's one, there's one. There's a big one. There's a big one there.
What Lewis
There's
is
another one
at.
here. That actually is a hair.
Is there a hair in it?
There's actually a hair just
Lovely. Let me
there.
see. Is it curly whirly squirly?
There's another one there, and there, and there.
There's so many imperfections. It's.
And there's cat scratches all over it. There's nothing to do with
Can you
that.
see that in the light? Hold on.
There's flatting marks all down the front of it.
Oh yeah, like.
There's dirt and runs and loads. All this is dirty. It's an
It's not show level,
dirty
is it?
paint job. Extremely
Yeah.
dirty. I haven't seen this much dirt. I mean, that's like been painted outside level of dirt.
Yeah.
On a dusty, windy, sandy day.
In the desert.
In the desert.
Yeah.
Upside down.
But this poor Impreza, this is an STI type UK, and the owner wanted a show finish, and this is far from it.
Let me show you something really good though.
Oh, this will look something really good.
So,
Whoa!
look at that engine.
Look at that. It's so jam-packed in there, isn't it?
They were asked to tidy up the engine bay.
Right.
And instead of doing that, they coated everything in wax oil.
Oh my goodness me! Oh, gross! Oh,
look how thick
no.
it is. Everything's thick, like, and then the headlights have been restored and the rubbers have been super glued back on.
But that's not how you bond that. Oh
So,
dear.
I think we've got
dear.
replacement rubbers, fortunately.
We'll be practicing a bit of under bonnet decontamination maybe then.
I'm thinking we get some coats for some dry ice blasting.
Dry ice blasting would be nice, yes, would be nice.
Down the sides, the paintwork had continued up to the roof. And again, the imperfections. There's one, there's one.
Oh, just looking at
Oh,
the
they're just
scratches
so
on it.
nice.
See, I come around this side with the light. It's not good, guys. It's not good.
There's one, there's one.
You can see all the runs and there you go. Look, you see that one
Across
there?
the front here.
There's a proper big run there. It's very hard to show you this on camera. Very hard. But
Trims, not.
it's not stuck.
Just wait there. Just wait there. Let me show you this.
That's not even attached.
It's broken.
But look here. on this C pillar here, there is such a bad blend in the paint. Why would you blend the paint here?
That is so confusing to me. As a painter, you hide your blend somewhere in a corner, which is here.
Which you would do because the angle of it changes the light. You won't see it. Right,
not right there. There's a massive, great big. It's like that big.
Let me just show you at home.
Madness.
I don't know if you can see the difference. If I go to the pillar. Oh, there it is. Look. Oh, look at that. Can you see the light reflection change in there? That blend.
Funny thing is, it's worse the other side.
It's worse the other side.
So weird. So this quarter hasn't been painted. There's a lovely dent in the door there.
Yep. Oh, this is another favourite of mine. Look at this bloody non-setting sealer sticking out from behind the spoiler. And the rust that's coming through.
Yeah.
You see that
the
rust
boot
there?
that's been painted for not that long and has lived inside.
Oh, how about the 2 different colour spoiler?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
It's a 2-tone spoiler.
Look at the bottom. Show them. Point to it for me, please, Lewis.
That bit?
That bit, and then the top bit.
That bit.
2 different shades of blue.
No.
2 different shades of blue. Oh, it comes out really well on camera. Look, dark blue, light blue, dark blue,
It's really good from
light
this
blue.
angle, actually, on the inside over there. Look at that, in there.
Look at it. Dark blue, light blue, dark
But my
blue.
favourite overall bit was the customers promised the badges were taken off the boot. So why are there sanding marks around the badges like this, and you can see them quite clearly, and runs coming from where the badges would have been, but yet the B's on the wonk, and so is the U's, and every letter's slightly squiff. So did the letters come off, or didn't they come off?
Well, I'd say judging by the runs under this U, have a look there. Look.
Under every single letter.
Hold on, there you go. Look, guys, you can see it there. Look with the light. It is. I'm going to say they were taken off, stuck back on, and then painted.
Yeah, maybe. We'll find out when we take the badges off.
Look at this here on the STI badges.
What is that?
What is that?
I don't know. Just dirt.
It's just
Oh, look at that patch of dirt there. Oh, look at that.
It's so bad.
That's loads of dirt.
That's so bad. Oh, look, more non-setting sealer poking out under there.
Yeah.
Lovely.
The blend, which is quite easy to see, this side is there. You can feel this one.
Oh my God, you really can feel it. If you could feel it with a fingertip, it's wrong.
And then this...
Just remember that, okay, Liz? If you could feel it with a fingertip,
it's wrong.
It's wrong.
And this lovely wobbly bit here, which...
it's like it's been hit with a ball peen.
I've been told that those dents weren't there when the car went into the body shop.
Hold on. Look, there you go, guys. You see? Watch the ring light. That's so bad.
It's not so great, is it?
No, it's not so great. Anyway, we are the people who are going to put it right.
To be fair, as a whole car, it ain't too bad. Most people ain't gonna even see it. Most people ain't gonna tell it's a Subaru. It don't look too bad. Got some dents in there, got some dents there, but I mean, it's quite an old car.
It's getting on.
But the fact is, it's got to be better. It's got to be show winning. So we're going to bring it up. What we're doing here is a full tear down and a full repaint.
Yes.
And being blue and metallic blue, you can't really take doors off and put them on benches and paint them and then paint the car separately and put them all together and hope that they match up the right colour.
In different orientations in the paint.
So
it doesn't work.
We're going to have to assemble quite a chunk of it. Obviously, spoiler's going to be off for painting, but big panels are going to be on for the paintwork.
Yeah.
Maybe even bumpers, or I'll paint bumpers at the same time.
Just away from the car,
at the right angle, away from the car slightly.
But
it does make
a
huge difference, that kind of stuff. Some colours. Blue, lighter blues, even worse.
Like metallic blue, by any chance?
Yeah, I am going to play it safe. I don't think this is going to be a colour where it's going to matter so much, but I'm going to play it safe anyway.
No, but that'll be the journey, getting the car back up to show-winning quality.
Yeah, fairly straightforward job.
And what's the first step?
Well, actually, we need to tear the bumpers off, get it back outside in this lovely Welsh rain, and get a pressure washer underneath it and get the muck out from the arches.
Let's deep clean this thing.
Yeah. Like so. Just press and pull. Oh, so convenient. Look at that. That easy to get a grille off a Subaru. I don't think the bumper is much more difficult. It's just got loads of these little plastic rivets. I guess you could call them rivets. So straightforward, tool in, lever it up. Oh, there we go. Just a bit of a pull to get it out. A handful of them and this bumper will come off. Right, that should have been the last, and my phone is ringing. Hello.
Hello.
Let's try that again without an interruption of a phone call. So we're released from that side. Yeah, very much. I don't know if there's any wiring, so we'll keep an eye out for that. No. So that was easy. Love it when a bumper comes off easy. Yuck. Well, this side was barely even attached. There we go. We've got number plate lights, mud flaps to deal with. Usually take bumpers off by myself and usually wait for them until somebody can give me a hand, but come on, Gromit. There you go. Oh, there we go. Voila! Here I'm using a bit of brake cleaner and a little scrubby brush to try and lift up that wax oil that's been sprayed generously over the entire engine bay. Sadly, that's all we have time for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You really don't want to miss out on this one. There are a few interesting things we find along the way. Some things that should have been welded that were not welded. So yeah, hit the bell and hopefully we'll catch up with you next week.